Learners in Parenting. Today I have Adriel and Valerie with me that will be helping me out making some fun literacy discovery bottles. The literacy discovery bottles are bottles that you could use while you're reading or doing circle time. We already have an idea of one that we made already. This is based on the story of Frozen. So you can see the book here. Frozen. So this one we add a little bit of glitter that we had to make it look like snow. And you could see there's Elsa, Olaf, Sven. Okay. So all you need to make your fun literacy discovery bottle is a water bottle, an empty water bottle with a wide opening. Maybe the Boss water bottle or this kind of core, depending on the items and for them to fit in here in the bottle, okay? And we want it to be clear like this. So today we have the water bottle, we have baby oil that you're going to be needing, but again, if you don't have baby oil, since right now we've been stuck at home, you could also use any type of oil, cooking oil. All you need is a little drop of oil, your water bottle. For this book, we're going to be using food coloring. We have green for the caterpillar. We made our own little caterpillar, as you can see, made out of paper.
Here's the butterfly.
The butterfly. And what the caterpillar ate in the story. So not only are they going to have fun reading the book, but they're going to have fun making the water bottle and also learning the sequence of what went first, what went after, and so on, okay?
Okay.
And today, after they're doing it, we're gonna show you how it works. So what we're gonna do, the step that we're gonna do first, since we're gonna be doing the very hungry caterpillar, in this case, we're gonna be using
water.
Yes, water. But first of all, we want to make sure we put the items in there first. Do you guys remember in the story what went first?
He was an egg first, then he cracked, then he turned to a caterpillar.
Okay, so the egg, which is called the cocoon. So this is the cocoon. Okay, guys, you're gonna help me first put it in.
And then for the story.
Okay.
And he got hungry.
Yes, very good. Then the caterpillar, we put it in there. Come on, Adriel. And then he kept getting hungry, so he ate a little cupcake.
And he got full, then he turned to a butterfly.
And he turned into a butterfly. Very good. So we have our items in the bottle, like you can see. Now we're gonna do
the food coloring.
Well, actually, I'm gonna do 1 drop of
baby oil.
Baby oil. Gonna do 1 drop of baby oil. We're gonna do 1 drop of soap, just to make it a little soapy and for it to move around.
Drop of that.
1 drop of this, which is called food coloring. So we're gonna do 1 drop and see how it comes out. In this case, we're not using glitter. Again, depending on the book you want to do at home, you could do that, okay? Okay. You hold on the bottle here for me, Adriel, please. And I'm gonna open up the water. Okay, another thing, you don't want to fill it all the way up that way in case it starts spilling. So, as you can see the items in here. There's our caterpillar in there, a butterfly, our cupcake,
and then the
cocoon. So yeah, you don't want to fill them up too much, that way you don't have a mess of water everywhere. But again, we want to make sure we
put tape.
Yes, and we also have tape because we want to make sure we want to seal it like the one we did for Frozen. So I'm gonna show you. You want to make sure that that it's sealed completely. Valerie's gonna help us put the tape because you help us with the water. Come on, Valerie. So I'm gonna help you. You're gonna hold it down for me, Adriel. Okay, we're gonna put it around just to make sure that it close in there tight, so we don't have water everywhere. Okay. And then just cut it on. Okay, so I'm gonna
cut it.
let's take them off first. Okay. Okay. Can you hold it up for me? Oh, here we go. We'll just cut it. And there you go. We have our letter C.
Let me see it.
Our letter C discovery bottle. If you shake it a little from side to side, you're gonna see
Some of
your
the
your caterpillar in there.
The butterflies on
The
the top.
butterfly. So this is a fun way to make literacy more fun for the little ones, especially if we're at home doing activities. This is a fun way of getting them more engaged and want to have more fun in reading. So again, today's book was based on our water bottle literacy discovery bottle was based on the Very Hungry Caterpillar, guys. Very good. Okay, and this is how it looks, and I hope you enjoy and you have a fun time making your own at home. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.